What do we have here? The uncomfortable area 10-inch turbo table fan with allegedly quiet operation. This is the model CZ111WT. And this is purchased as part of my search for a decent fan to use here in the windows, the back of the house windows, because they're too small to fit a box fan. I was really hoping that the 12-inch Duracraft models from the 90s would fit, and they just barely don't. So that's not really the best option either. So that leaves me with those stupid Holmes fans, you know, the HAWF 2021, and then whatever the larger 3-inch model, or 3-speed model is. The 3-speed one isn't so bad, but the 2021 is just way too loud. So it's those or the Marvin ones, and although those move a tremendous amount of air for the size, those two are kind of loud. So this is allegedly quiet. If it actually is or not, we'll find out. I certainly have my doubts. It looks promising. It appears to have a it's a mosquito. It appears to have a PSC motor. I really have no idea what to expect here. In my experience, Comfort Zone is a total hit or miss brand. I have a couple of high velocity fans from them, which are phenomenal, and then there's the box fan they make, which is, or they don't make, the brand or whatever, which I think is probably the worst box fan on the planet. And then their oscillating pedestal fans and table fans are pretty bad. So I don't know. Hopefully this airs on the side of the high velocity fans. Vibration free performance. I certainly hope so. And then on this side, it's yeah, it's in Spanish. It's late. I'm tired. Hopefully I don't say anything that really doesn't make any sense in this video. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's time to go to sleep. Well, first off, let's see if it fits in the window, because if it doesn't fit in the window, then this is totally pointless. Okay, so it will fit in the window. In fact, it fits in the window pretty good. Okay, so we're off to a good start here. It's got plastic film, because, you know, you've got to save the planet, but yet you can wrap everything under the sun in plastic film. Figure that one out. I sure can't. Okay, so I'll put this plastic film into the trash because nobody recycles it. The cord is kind of pitiful. It's not very long. Only like maybe 5 feet. It does appear to have a PSC motor. If it's a good one or not, well, that's, well, time will tell only, really. There's some informations on there. It says model MHD 5513M12MEF1001. The date is 4421, so probably the 44th week of 2021, which is kind of making this rather old stock. The blade looks satisfactory. The tilt mechanism isn't bad, at least it's quiet. And I mean, it's definitely, yeah, it's very light, but it's not like creaky or anything. It's probably isn't strong enough to tip itself over. Alright, let's plug this potential piece of junk in and see how it behaves. Okay, it's plugged in now. Here we go. We'll start off on 1. Which hopefully is low. It is quiet, I'll give it that much. And yeah, the airflow is pretty weak. However, it's traveling a decent distance. Let's see if the bearings are stiff. It's not too bad. 2. 3. Wow. If this is the turbo one, the heck is the regular one like? A goose fart moves more air than this. This is abysmal. I'll walk across the room here. I actually can still feel it about 15 feet away, but it's very, very subtle. I kind of like it because it's quiet, but the airflow is, for something that's advertised as turbo, it's just totally abysmal. Yeah, I don't know. This definitely leaves something to be desired here. Well, it fits in the window, but it might not move a lot of air through it. I'll have to wait for a day that's above 60 degrees, which is for some reason a lot to ask for this summer. And I'll put it in the window and see how it behaves. And this to me should be like the low speed. Kind of feels like it might be picking up some more speed as it runs. I still wouldn't say it's anywhere near like really powerful, but it's getting a little better now. Well, I don't know. Unimpressive. But at least it's quiet. I do like quiet fans. But on the other hand, they also need to move air.